Hey everyone, Jeff back here at Petrick's Project Bench. We're going to start cleaning up this B&K 707 case. I've seen some out there in black vinyl. This one's blue vinyl, which would make sense. That's kind of the company color, is the blue. But I wanted to show you a product that you can get this Lowe's, Home Depot, online. And this is the absolute best cleaner I have ever found. And I'm going to try and demonstrate that here for you. But I don't think you'll be dissatisfied if you get one of these. And I've had this is probably still half full. And it's been a half a year. But let's just do one of these half and half tests here. I haven't had a problem with it taking anything off though, but of course always try on a small area first or inside, but I haven't had any issues yet. Yeah, it just says earth friendly. It doesn't really say though. So let's see. Give it a whirl here quick, see what happens, how much you can see with one swipe. What it's pretty amazing. Of course, this older vintage stuff all comes from an era where everybody had a cigarette in their mouth at all times of the day. We'll hit it one more time, but I think you can see how quick and how easy still taking dirt off. And I think we'll do one more, just a swirl, because this has a little bit of texture to it, not too much. I hope that camera isn't wobbling around too much. I have it actually mounted to the same. There, now we're down to the last little bit. Let's get into these little crags here. I should really put that on a tripod so it's not and I'm just going to give it a little wipe down with water. Get that, I can see some kind of a soap foaming up here. Maybe one more. There we go. Quick dry, and and some Meguiar's vinyl and rubber. It's a cleaner, and but nothing cleans like that other stuff, so I'm just really using this as a protectant and conditioner. I guess I wasn't careful. I should have used a wider piece of tape or a couple pieces of tape, but I mean, you'll get the idea. What a big difference that makes, huh? Hope that shows up in the camera, but yeah, it shows up pretty good. I think it looks a little, well, I guess that looks pretty realistic. That really makes a big difference. It's almost, if it didn't have the couple little nicks and stuff in there, it really brings it back to its original color and life. So you definitely need to check out that product. And for now, I got some vinyl repair to do on the bottom, just glue some seams and a couple little pieces. But I'll finish cleaning this up and we'll take a look at it when it's all done. Hey, we're back. Got the case all cleaned up. That's what the water ended up looking like. That's how filthy that was. But it cleaned up nice. And I ended up using a brass, like toothbrush. You get them in the welding department. Harbor Freight or someplace like that. Home Depot too, Lowe's. And that ended up really cleaning up the corners nice. And the latches, they were pretty rusty. And then a good rinse off, just with a damp, couple times with a damp rag, make sure all the whatever chemicals there were, then let it dry. And then I chrome polished the places that I used the brass brush. And then the last final step was the vinyl cleaner polisher, Meguiar's. And it really turned out, I thought, pretty amazing. Oh, let me I got a bright light here we can throw on. Really cleaned up, really pretty new looking for 58 years old. I'm thinking of taking a bath in that stuff later. See if it'll help me out. But, I fixed the bent pin, and that comes in and out really easy now. So we'll be ready to get going on the electronics here. I might have some parts still showing up yet today. And if not, tomorrow. And then I can get back on that, changing those capacitors out, and one step closer to getting this ready to go. Well, thanks so much for taking the time out of your day. If you found this interesting, please like and subscribe. And everybody have a great the rest of their day.